next rule na i-share ko sa inyo is what I call behavior rules. Di ba pag nag-average lang tayo, nagdadagdag tayo sa losers natin, hindi, tingin ko, aakyat pa to. But in reality, that's denial. Hindi mo matanggap na mali yung decision mo. And revenge trading, again, is not aggression. It's emotional leakage. So, pag nagkaroon ka na ng at least 2 losses, pause ka na, pahinga ka na. Kung gusto mo pa umisa, go lang, umisa ka pa. Pero pag naka 3 losses ka na, it means you're done. Another thing na nakikita ko sa mga traders is they don't stop trading hanggat hindi sila napapagod. Go lang kasi kaya ko pa. But in reality, kahit ubos na yung account, di pa naman eh. Pero yun, nagtitrigger na pala sa brain yung revenge trading. Kaya may primary rules dito is you don't stop when you feel tired. You stop when your rules say stop. Pag sinabi ng rules mo na stop ka na, stop ka na. Kaya very important yung pagjo-journal nyo. Ito guys, so example ko. Ayan, journal. Sulat nyo yung mga trading rules nyo. Okay yung digital, pero may problem with digital is na-observe ko dito sa sarili ko eh. Parang hindi siya nag-stick. Hindi siya nagsisink in for me. Kaya for me talaga, old school ako eh. Sulat talaga. And syempre, gumaganda pa yung sulat ko. Baliktad din nung high school, elementary, college. Walang kalaman-laman yung notebook eh. Pero ngayon, ang dami kong notebook for trading journal. If you journal your trade, madali mo siya matatandaan and definitely meron kang magiging rule book na lagi mo sundan. And I believe that's how professional traders do it.